Welcome back to our channel. So guys, for this vlog, I just want to share our trip to Wasaga Beach. Kaya pupunta kami sa beach ngayon kasi yung anak ko palaging nagpaparemind sa akin kung kailan daw sila magbe-beach. Kaya ayan, today is the day. But ngayon, hindi ko sila sinabihan na pupunta kami sa beach. Tulog pa sila, gigisingin ko muna. Gising na pala ang isa. Nanonood ng iPad. Good morning! I have to tell you something. Today is beach day! I'm gonna wake up your brother. Just a second. Hi, Prince! Prince! Hello! Let's go! I'm gonna tell you something. We're going to the beach. Who wants to swim?
Prince, we're going to the beach. We are going to the beach.
Do you want to go to the beach, Prince?
Excavators?
No! Why? Why?
Maybe he wants to.
Why? Swerte naman yung nagbibideo na yan. Dito ka na. Ako na dyan.
Wow.
How much corn is in this flat circle?
Look at the corn. Nakakamiss lang minsan din sa mga ganitong lugar.
Yeah, yan o. Town of Innisfield.
Cows!
Wow!
House.
So many cows! Oh, ang tataba nila oh. Grabe.
White cows.
White cows.
Oh, there's a horse!
Horse?
Hindi ako yung cow.
Continue straight for 8 minutes to County Road 92.
Oh, dito na kami sa Kamiling, Tarlac. Mababa na ba?
Dito na tayo sa spring water. 18 kilometers na. Oh, I love it. Puro doon.
Ganda na.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Downhill.
Like where?
We're here in Bari. We're here in...
Wasaga Beach. Marami ng mga ballroom dance.
Just here! There's a beach on the beach!
Yeah, almost
I
there.
can see a beach now!
You can see now?
Beach!
Not yet.
Akala ko ba sa beach pupunta? Ba't sa playground? We're in the beach! Say hi! Yay! Grabe! Hi, baby! Saan ka? Laon yan? Oh no. Yung mga anak natin nag-enjoy na doon, no? Oh my God. Hi! Here, the ball! Woo! There you go. Here's the duck! Here's the shark! Yeah! Hi, Chin! Look, welcome to my vlog! Ay, parang nasa Davao City lang, guys. See? Alright guys, dito sa Wasaga merong mga stores. Ewan ko anong klaseng stores na dito. Ayan, may beaver tails, world famous pastries, and Choosens bar. Yeah, welcome to Wasaga Beach. Ano yan? Wasaga Beach Splash Pad. Saan? Oh yeah, may shawarma. Favorite ni Habi.
Jana, help mommy!
Yeah, there's a lots of stores here. Damn, 2-piece. Bagay si Mochin. Oh.
Nagpa-customize.
Papa Bear.
I can't do nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. Shining bright like a star in the sky.
Lagi oy, salvavida.
She got the looks, the good. Oh, I need her so bad in my life.
Yeah, so cute. Pizza, salvavida.
Tokyo, oh, shorty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, na 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 na. Don't need no stress, girl, na 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 na. Just me and you, sounds alright, girl.
Ayan, mag-isa na siya, oh. Siya na lang mag-isa, oh. Grabe naman yung bata na yan. Okay, enjoy! Nilamig na kasi yung ate niya. Ayun na yung ate niya, oh. Nilamig na yung ate niya. Gabi naman yung bata na yan. Hindi naman takot mag-isa. Grabe naman yung baby na yan. Mag-isa naliligo. And prince!
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you?
Hi, be. Love you. Mwah. Ang tawang-tawa naman yung baby na yan. Diyos ka. Baliktad naman yung pating mo. Ay, hindi pala pating. Dolphin pala. Busy yung baby namin, oh. Busy. There you go. Okay, that's too much. Come back here. Come on, guys. That's too much. Ayan, may araw na siya, guys. Hi, ate. Ganyan daw siya maligo ng dagat, guys. Ano, nasa river ka ba? Hindi malat? Tinikman mo? Ay, grabe ah.
Hindi ka tulad sa
Eh.
dagat na di ba?
I know.
No.
What happened? What happened, Prince? What happened? Kuya, look. Ate, look. You cannot move.
Hi, Dada. Oy, ice cream yan. So hanggang dito na lang yung video namin at nag-enjoy kami sa aming Wasaga Beach. Kaya